Good morning, everyone. Checking out SeaWorld before I gotta go to work. Let's see what we could get done. It is 10:01. I gotta be out of here by 11:05, maybe 11:10. Let's see what we can do. Checking out SeaWorld Orlando on a Monday. It is 10:04. Not much going on, not really busy. Nice stay at the park. It was raining this morning, but it's clearing up. Stingray Lagoon. Kraken. Should we start out with that? I think we should. Old school classic. Always a short wait. 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I'm trying to go to the front. These queue stretches.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this ride by its very nature creates forces and speeds that may not be acceptable to some guests. It may cause injury to some riders with pre-existing conditions. Guests with any type of
Alright guys, Kraken's first up on the list. See what we can do.
Yeah, you love this. You made it. At least you're not on that one.
Here we go. Kraken, guys. It's gotta be easily 9 out of 10. Easily. Mako. This is why we're here. This was the mission. This was the crown jewel. Let's do it. This feels so mystical already. Uh-oh. Ominous. A hint of wonder. Wonder when the line ends. I like this queue, man. They got a lot of fans, misters. That's what I'm talking about. Because it is hot. I'm reaching an index of 100. It feels like 120. We're baking. We're baking up here. Over here.
That's with a non-rider or placed in a locker. Those wearing casks or neck braces are not permitted to ride. Thank you.
Going up these stairs. It says it's a 10-minute wait.
Recheck your
What we got? Not bad. Probably 10 minutes to wait the front. Front row. Alright, guys. We go on Mako. No. Out of 10. Alright guys, so we went on Kraken and Mako. It is 11. It's that time for me to go. Or maybe we can squeeze in another ride. I don't know. Doubt it. I gotta go to work. But it was fun. Really not busy considering it's a summer day. Kids are out of school. Park's not that bad. Now, trying to make my way out of here, but I don't know where to go. I admit, I don't go to SeaWorld too often, so I get lost pretty easily. That's cool. What is that? Oh, Infinity Falls. Oh, that's cool. It was fun, refreshing, especially on a Florida summer day. Nice. Slowly finding my exit. Dude, how did I get out of here? Gotta go through Sesame Street, I believe. Ooh. Is there a shortcut? When all else fails, you just gotta look at a park map, honestly. Where am I? Yes, I think. Yeah. We're cutting straight through the sauce here now. That's what I'm talking about. This path is going to lead me to the exit. If not, I'm cooked. What is this? What is this? Is not it. Should just hold out a little patience. Just gotta keep going. Just gotta keep going. It's turning out to be a nice day at the park. It's nice. Should I tell you guys a little bit about myself? Well, I was born and raised in Miami. I've been coming to Orlando all my life. Grew up going to the parks. Always wanted to live in Orlando, so the last year finally had an opportunity to do that. So now I live in Orlando. Close access to the parks. Even if you get tired of the parks, there's so much to do outside of Orlando. It's amazing. This is nice. Oh, they're going back up again. Oh, that's nice. That's mint. That's gonna be next on the mission when we come back for an action attack. Not bad. 2 rides. I did ride Mako back to back. Looks like the park might get a little busy in the afternoon, middle of the day. Park's pretty big, enough spacing. Don't feel the crowds. So it's a success. Alright guys, I'll catch you till next time. What was that? Make sure you like, comment, share, all that fun stuff. Let me know what you want to see, what coasters you want me to go on, what rides you want to experience through me.